You can create a new project with a menu integrated in EPLAN. And then acquire templates from PROCAD. The project templates can be used to predefine project structures or drawing frames. You can save the project into PROCAD, create outputs and the BOM after finalizing your design work. The dialog is the dashboard for all temporary save and final release operations. It has two sections. In the first section, you can handle the design data. And in the second section, you can create the bill of materials for selected assemblies. The documents and parts for the design and BOM are created in PROCAD. With Select All, you can check all the output options at once, and then start the save process. Both the data model as well as all relations between objects are being checked. During the process, you can see all the performed steps in the transcript. As you can see, the integration compares the ECAD BOM with the PLM BOM, and then summarizes it in the dialog. With Tag View, you can receive an overview of all assembly positions. The differences between the ECAD and PLM BOM are indicated with the different colors. You can also show and hide capabilities. The second tab lists all the components and their quantities. The parts in the third tab are not linked to a party number in the PLM system, and this tab lists all parts which have no release status in PLM. The last tab lists the parts without an entry in the ECAD library. You can start the saving process with the OK button. Necessary information like the number and name of the project and the revision and status are transferred to the title frames of the project. The output generation creates all information you checked in the Save to PLM dialog. You can view the transfer data from EPLAN in PROCAD. In addition, you can look at the design schematics in a PDF. The PLM parameters are automatically embedded in the title frames. You can then select an assembly to view in PROCAD. And review the BOM of the assembly. You can also check the items of the used part and view the cable harness in PROCAD. When working with PLM, synchronizing library parts is essential. Electric engineers define electrical properties to their components in the ECAD library, and other information, like logistical parameters, are defined in PROCAD. The part synchronization transmits information stored in one system to the other, bidirectional. The synchronization direction can be configured individually for each parameter to your company's needs. This offers electronic engineers and coworkers involved the most possible flexibility in the PLM workflow. The synchronization process enables the ECAD user to full visibility of his components and indicates the status of the components with different colors. Parts that are missing are automatically created, and the same applies to the other direction. the synchronization from EPLAN to PROCAD. The part number of the newly created part in the PLM is then transferred to the ECAD library. There, the components can be organized in classes, and you can also select individual components inside a class and perform the synchronization. After design changes, a new save to PROCAD is necessary. You can either create all data again or only select those that need an update in PROCAD. The BOM comparison lists all the differences between the actual and the previous BOM.